And so the fifth way of fixing bugs in your AI coding tool would be to take your code into another tool completely. So like if you're working in Lovable, so go from like Lovable to Cursor and Claude Code, for example, because that can just be like a completely different tool. Using a completely different tool, again, can like give it a very different way of approaching the problem. All of these tools have system prompts and instructions which tell it how to behave, basically. So if you use a different tool that is told to behave in a different way, it can have a better chance of fixing a bug that you've come up against. And so that is another way. If none of these four work in the same tool, so these are all four ways for doing it in the same tool that you're all working in to start off with. If the fifth way here is to just take it out, sync it with GitHub, basically. So sync to GitHub, download from GitHub, and bring it into another tool. And then the sixth and final way here, which is going to be the most destructive way that we can think about doing this, is really if none of this works, if none of these 5 steps work, which I would be surprised if none of them do work, because most of the time, like, getting some way down this path is actually going to just help you like fix that bug.